Hello and welcome to our frog base video. The frog base is used in the frog as well as other origami.
So we're going to start off with a square base. If you don't know how to do that, check out our video on the square base. So first we open one of the pockets, the right pocket, and we're going to make a squash fold, just as we're showing here. So take your time doing this and crease well, flatten down this pocket. We're going to make a total of 4 of these squash folds. So when you're done with the first one, flip the paper over and do the same thing on the back side. So fold the pocket over like we're showing. Open it up with your fingers and then squash it flat. Again, take your time, make sure everything lines up well here and crease it nicely. Once you're done with the second squash fold, fold the paper over as we're showing here so you can get access to the third pocket. And open that up with your fingers. And again, make a squash fold. Since you've done it twice before, we're going to show this a little bit faster. So that's the third one. And now we're going to do the fourth of the squash folds. Okay, so pretty easy so far. The piece should look like this. And now we're going to start making some petal folds. So first you're going to fold the left and right sides to the center as we're showing here. And take your time and make sure everything is creased nicely. So once it's creased nice and sharp, you're actually going to unfold these. Now you need to get one of your fingers underneath the middle of the flap here and start folding that upwards. And you're going to use the creases you just made as a guide to help you do another type of squash fold. So you're going to move that flap all the way up and squash it flat. And this particular type of squash fold is called a petal fold. And we're going to do 4 of those. So this is the first one. And you want to crease everything nice and sharp. When you're happy with it, turn the paper over. Now we're going to make a petal fold on this side. So once again, fold the left and right sides in as we're showing here. And take your time and make sure it's creased well. Petal fold shows up in a few origami pieces, so it's a good thing to know how to make. So unfold the pre-folds and then fold the center up. And squash it flat. So not too hard to do. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. Crease everything nice and flat. Now 2 more petal folds. So you want to fold a piece in half lengthwise as we're showing so you can get access to those remaining 2 sides. And then we're going to speed this up a little bit since you've done this twice already. So here's the third petal fold. Okay. So flip over and then find the face to make the petal fold. And go ahead and do that. Okay, now you're done with all the 4 petal folds, and what you have now is called the frog base.